Yes, start now.
Good morning, everyone. Anshubana in front of you, and I would like to deliver this topic crime. So, what is the main reason of crime? Crime is very harmful for our society. It is very dangerous for us, for our seniors, for our children, everyone. So, I think main reason of crime is male. So, After Khanji, I want to ask you, I just delivered my point. Main reason of crime is men. So, what's your opinion about it?
Uh, Hello everyone. Thank you for asking me this question. So I would like to tell you that you're thinking that men are responsible for the increasing the crime.
Yes.
So we understand there's so many persons who are doing the bad things. But I would like to ask you, Tanu, what is your thinking that she's saying that men are responsible to increasing the crime, and we understand there's so many people we see that who do bad things. So why they are going on that way to doing the crime? Can you tell me?
Yes, thank you, sir, for asking me this question.
Speak louder
Thank you, sir.
or louder.
Thank you, sir, for asking me this question. That according to me, she is right that crime is increased because of men. Because we all know that they beat their wives in their houses. They are doing criminal. They are doing bad thing in their house with their wife. They are not giving freedom to their wife. That's why they are not able to go outside. So maybe she is right because, and if you are saying that why it's increased, right?
Yes.
So according to me, because no one is there who make them understand. That's why it's crime. They are increasing crime day by day. So what do you think, sir? That we stop crime or not?
Thank you for asking me this question, but I would like to say that as you have told, they man beat their wives in this hour, but this is their own perspective because there are not all the mans beats their wife in their home. Who mans drinks a lot and addict to intoxications. This is the main reason. That's not uh, that all the males are including in this.
But according to me, some men have not some. According to me, mostly men have trust issues. They are not ready to trust their wife. That's why all the scenarios happens with them.
So do you know about the reason?
Yes, of course, I have the reason.
For all families, do you know about the reason that why man beats their wives?
So
As you have told that their trust issue. So do you know about that? They beats all about because of trust issue.
no, I can't say this thing that they beat their wife because of trust issues. But most of the men beat their wife because of it. They are not ready to trust them. If what we can say.
Salt.
If she is making vegetable and salt is over in vegetable, definitely he started beating her.
So I would like to answer this that you're saying that many men do this kind of the activities. They behave unnecessary, do this kind of the thing, and they beat the wife, right? You're saying. So there are so many female who do the bad things. I already uh, heard about some of the women who don't make the food for the husband, and uh, so I would like to ask you, what is your opinion and what do you think? Why women do this kind of the thing? Why they don't care about their husband responsibilities?
Thank you for asking this question. First of all, why only women take care of the food? Or men also can we take care of the food and all the things. It's not only duty of a female to always cook for everybody. Sometimes we can say sometimes they can also cook. So I think it's not the compensation duty for the women only.
Okay, can I say something? Actually, we are not talking about domestic violence only. It includes many crimes like rape cases, pickpocketing,
murder and robbery. So there are much more things. Like rape is also including. In India, every 10 seconds or 50 seconds, a woman got injured by a rape case. So, what's your opinion?
Opinion. Okay, Sahil. Malik, you should speak something
Yeah, I think
louder and clear.
alright. I think the crime is like more likely. It's not about the male or female. It's about the upbringing of that person and the environment of that person, where that person born and brought up. Like if he has been brought up in a very bad environment and a criminal environment, he come what may he will turn out to be a criminal himself. So it's not about male or female, but yeah, I would agree that there are large number of males in comparison to females, and as far as the domestic violence is concerned, I don't think there is like it's not totally up to man that all men beats their wives. No, it's like it's about the education. If they are not educated and that person, if they do not have education in their home, they would fight over the little things, like she said, salt, over salt, and very little things. But it's not about the men. There are also some females that having affairs with other men. So that's also a point for domestic violence. So
Afshar Khanji, you should speak something about this point.
So I would like to tell you that as we are talking about this point that we are looking that crime is increasing, and you recently said that rape cases increasing in India. So I would like to ask you that the women's who are illiterate and they don't have idea what kind of the clothes they are wearing and what kind of the environment she had
She has been living.
she has been living, and so my question is that she has to understand where she can wear those kind of clothes which is comfortable according to the environment. So why they are wearing these kind of the clothes? Because we can understand the community is different. There are different types of mindset. The people do this kind of the activities. So what is your opinion in
Means
that?
you are saying that girls are provoking boys that do rape with the girls. It's not right, and no one is there who can judge their girl that what should or should not she is going to wear.
Okay, firstly, you are
Okay,
saying.
I would like to clear your point.
Okay.
बोलिए.
I would like to clear your point. Like you are commenting on girls' clothes. So, what kind of clothes, according to you, is suitable for girls?
Fantastic. बहुत अच्छा
No,
question.
I'm not saying to think about the clothes wearing, right?
Okay.
I'm saying that women need to understand if they are in any institute or in any public place, so they have the idea. They should
Have idea.
They have idea, and they have to understand what kind of the clothes suitable for this area.
3 years old girl have idea about which type of
Like-
girls she has to wear.
like I think you are not getting his point.
You are
I would
saying
about
about-
like
Yeah.
clear his point on. Like he is saying, women should be wearing the clothes suitable according to situations. Like there are
According to places.
yeah, according to places.
According to atmosphere.
According to atmosphere. Like he's not saying, he's not judging women like they should not be wearing whatever the clothes they want. He's not saying that. He's saying that like if I give you an example, like there is an area there where
Bad
it
people,
is
yeah.
very
Slum area. Barbarous area.
no famous नहीं है विख्यात.
Okay, that is not popular.
That is not popular. That is popular for thieves, snatching. So would you be guys going there with wearing golden chains?
First of all, we will not go there in that type of area.
So like if you have to, it is in your way to office. What would you do? Would you show your golden chains?
No, definitely
No.
no.
So that's the point.
नेवर, मेरी आवाज में आपको बोलना है, हर अपनी पॉइंट्स को बहुत ही क्लियर और परफेक्ट रखनी है। नेवर वी कुडंट डू दिस बिकॉज ऑफ दैट बैड इन्वायरमेंट एंड एटमॉस्फेयर, राइट? एनीबॉडी एल्स? यस. So he's he's blaming that dresses are the responsible. Dresses are the reason of in increasing crime, right? So what is your opinion?
Okay, my opinion, everyone said, like sarees and suits are more decent clothes for women. So how can 8-month girl wear suit or sari? Before 2 years ago,
3 months girls.
8-month girl got raped. How?
And
I
also,
think it's
What is the reason behind it?
What's the reason?
Who is responsible?
Who is responsible for it?
I
And
think
how
it-
can she wear sari and suit?
I think
80-year woman. What was her mistake?
बहुत अच्छा.
She got raped.
ग्रामर सही जा रही है.
80-year-old woman. Yeah.
and also in the corner there is museum for those clothes. There are museum in corner.
In foreign.
In foreign, those girls who got the rape and they have the clothes, means they collect
They have collected their clothes.
they have collected their whole clothes and they are making museum on it. And most of the clothes are proper, means their gowns, they are not crop tops, they are not short skirt and all these things. Proper clothes were there. So how we can't judge that clothes are the main reason of rape.
yeah, it's not only the main reason. Like if as she said, like
8 months girl and
8-month
80
child
year-
and 80
80
years old
Woman.
women got raped, and I think it's not about the clothes only. It's also about the person's mentality. Like he must be a monstrous person or heinous, like whatever the mind he would be having to do that crime. So you cannot like it won't be a usual case. It is 1 in 1,000. Like most usual cases are that.
Okay,
So
fantastic.
This is the
Another
only
one.
point we would like to say, that we are not talking about the clothes that women are wearing. We are talking about the mentality, why people are doing this
Yeah.
thing, right? Why rape cases increasing day by day, and how can we change the mentality of the people? So we already know that so many crimes happening in our life, and we see that if you heard about the cyber crime recently, the increasing day by day, because people are using the technology flawlessly, right?
Illegally. Illegally.
It is so illegal thing happening with their devices. So I would like to ask you, what is your opinion? Why cybercrime is increasing day by day?
Okay, from you, Lisha, speak clearly and just answer him.
Ask again.
I'm saying, why cybercrime increasing day by day?
Okay, cybercrime is increasing. Most of the people like hacking the bank accounts and giving the OTPs and all, only for the illegal things, and like corruption. You can say they are doing only for that. Illegally transfer the payments in their bank account, and these are the cyber crimes they are doing.
So what are the mistakes they are committing?
Not they are committing mistake, on the people who don't know about the cyber crime, they are committing. They give the OTPs and their bank account numbers to the person who are asking for the numbers, and they don't know, and they're taking the money from their bank account. So they are increasing right now.
So you think about, just I am the person who want to steal your money from your account, and I am the person who are doing the this thing, the cybercrime thing. I'm just involving in this. So I would like to ask you, how will you stop me?
Okay, actually, this era is not related to only bank account, and it increased maximum of the crime. Like people use another faces on another poster, another body, and it reveal like photos and videos because this era is Chat GPT and AI. So, with the help of AI and ChatGPT, crime is increasing, and I think if we are using it, so we should use it smartly.
बहुत अच्छा, जबरदस्त.
Thank you for replying this question. So I would like to ask you, Tanu, that as she shared that we can, as AI is doing the everything, but my question is that I'm the person who is involving in the cybercrime, and I'm asking this: how will you stop me, and what are the things that you will do to save your money?
uh, in this case, if you stealing my money, so definitely first I will complain, and secondly I will not share my personal information with others. You all know that whenever crime cases happens with other person, first the criminal gave money.
Okay, greeding of money.
Greeding of money. That's why people become greedy, and they started giving their OTP, and they started giving personal information. So definitely I will not do this type of thing. Definitely I will take against action of the against. Even this type of things happens with me, that the person called me that if you will not pay your Bijli bill, so that Bijli bill, so we will cut your electricity. So that time I was confused totally, that I have paid my Bijli bill, and now the officer, why calling me officer? That, so they told me that first you have to send me 1 rupees. So I was going to give, but suddenly I got the idea that if I need to give, so first I have to, I have to go Bijli bill office. So I went there, and then I got to know that the call was fraud. Then I got to know that if someone calls me, so first of all I will not pick unknown number, and if I will pick, so definitely I will not do this type of thing, because our safety in our hand, no one can save us.
Okay, fantastic. Afshar Khan, I would like to know from you that domestic violence is increasing in our country, right? In whole over the world, right? Who is the main responsible? That is male or female for increasing domestic violence?
So, as per my opinion, I would like to say that we see that the violence is increasing, and as per my opinion, I think that both are responsible for the domestic violence, because sometimes we see that men do bad things, and they drunk, and they do the bad activities because they may be tired, and they are facing the so many challenges in outer world, and that's why they are just destroying their life, and they are impacting their families, and some of the women who are involving some other bad things, so they are also responsible for that. They are not taking care of the family and responsibilities. So this is my opinion, that both are responsible in this era.
Okay, fantastic. So, who is more responsible? Anshu, I would like to know from you. Male or female? Who is more responsible?
I think that both are responsible.
I would like to know from who is more responsible. More.
Illiterate man.
I'm asking male or female. Who is more responsible for increasing crime?
I think male.
Male is. You try to speak louder.
Male.
What male?
Male is more responsible for starting domestic violence.
In increasing domestic violence, right?
Increasing domestic
Okay,
violence.
give me any proof.
Yeah, because he is physically more strong than woman, and when he wants, then he can beat her.
Hmm.
He can demolize her. in any condition and any situation. Like you are uneducated, you can't do anything else. Firstly, you should give her chance to do something, and then I think you should do, and you should help her. You know it's not good, and I'll help you.
Okay,
Well-
fantastic. She's saying that male is more responsible. According to your opinion, what should be there?
Sir, both are responsible.
She's
for-
telling that. What you would like to tell your message to
As she
her?
has told that only males are responsible in this domestic violence, so according to me, she is not
Right.
right.
Okay. Okay. She has told that she has blamed, accused the male that male is more responsible. Sahil Malik.
Yeah. So I don't think that male is the sole responsible for the domestic violence. I think the main reason is the women. No, not in all cases, but main reason the women is provoking that man to do something. Like she keeps on talking and try to irritate him, and at the last his the dam of patience break and he beats her.
Girls means lady is irritating their wife, so he started
No, I am not saying he has right to do so. He is wrong at his point as well. But it is not the only that man is he has some bad mind. He comes to office and try to beat her wife. No, there should be some reasons. All right, so that's the reason. Women and men both are responsible. In
Because-
most cases, female.
Because he is getting chance to beat her. Like he is working in office, boss said to him something. He is coming into the metro, and in metro or bus